Hello friends, I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful jhumka which doesn't look like handmade at all. This jhumka looks very classy and also very simple to make. If you like my video, do like it and share it with your friends and family. If you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get timely notification of the latest video. And now let's get started. The material required to make this beautiful jhumka is a round shape base. So I have taken a 1 rupee coin and just draw and cut it this shape like this. Then a jhunkas. So you can take any design of jhunka, but make sure that it has holes like this to attach the laurels, otherwise it won't work. Then pearl laurels. Then these are pink, dark pink laurels, and then these are baby pink laurels. You can take any shade of any color like blue or yellow or anything. Then these are round kundans. Then as we are going to draw it, these are white shape papers. This is white color fabric. 30 kg wire, Fevicol glue, dots, cutter, this is a 3D outliner. I have taken golden one. And the weird material, it's this eyeliner that I'm using today. First of all, I'm taking these two base on one by one, and then I'm taking this one. So with the help of Fevicol glue, we'll stick these ones together. You can use fabric glue or hot gun also for this, but they take time, so I am using these ones. This is properly staked. Now, with the help of this 3D outliner, we'll add a sketch of a lotus. You can literally draw any design that you want. I'm not a painter, so please don't judge my design. Okay. And now I'm taking this eyeliner and will insert it here. We'll add very little bit because in the end it will spread. I'm telling this with my experience. Now we will add kundans to it, and once this get dried up, we'll again have a layer of 3D outliner, but it will happen later. I'll quickly add round kundans and we'll come back. Okay guys, so I have added this. Now it will take time, so we'll keep this aside and we'll start our work. So once this get dried up, we'll again add one outliner, line of outliner here, and then we'll do our further work. Until the time it gets dries up, we'll decorate a jhunka. So I'm taking this jhunka, I'm taking this and I'm taking this L'Oreal. So I'll cut a little portion of this. I'm taking a little portion of this, and what I'll do is I'll insert it in any one of the jhunkas over here. And I'll wrap it over here in this, and then I'll take one L'Oreal bead, then one pink, again one pearl L'Oreal, and then one pink baby pink L'Oreal. And to the next of this, I will insert it here in this, and I'll make a bunch like this. Don't you think it's looking very pretty? And again now I will take this out from the next one, which is over here, and I will repeat the same process for the whole, so I'll quickly do that. So as you can see, I have completed the filling process for this jhunka, and it's looking so pretty. Now I will keep them aside, and you can see this beautiful stud is also ready. It has dried up, and I have also added a back finishing to this. So now we will simply attach this jhunka and stud with the help of needle and thread. So for that I am taking this needle and thread, and so what we'll do is exactly opposite to this stud, we will insert this thread. And we'll make a knot over here. Now I'm going to attach this. You have to be very careful. And make sure that this thread won't get stuck in the L'Oreals like this. So I will quickly add this thread and will come back. So guys, I have attached this jhumka and stirred together, and you can see it's looking so pretty. I'm just loving this new design of mine, and this is the second one. Our earrings are finally ready. We have made them in a very simple way. You can try them for any upcoming festival or wedding season. If you enjoyed this design, do hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.